This video is sponsored by Bespoke Post. Bespoke is a monthly membership club that delivers awesome boxes of products from under-the-radar brands. Speaking of, they sent me these 3 boxes of products, so let's open them up together and check them out. First up, we're gonna open up the Weekender box. Super excited about this one. I've genuinely been needing a nice new bag, and this thing is actually super sick. Whenever I go on longer trips, I wanna start bringing a set of tools with me, just in case something happens to the car, and I honestly just wanna be prepared. So this bag will be perfect for that. Comes with a really nice strap, and you're ready to go. Box number 2 is the Parked box. And this little bag is a whole chair. Check this out. It's setting itself up. I'm not even kidding, it just set itself up. So this is a Ren compact camp chair all set up. Anytime I'm working on the car, I want a little chair, but I don't want a bucket because that's uncomfortable. So I'm gonna pop this thing out and use this now every time, and it should be a lot more comfortable than a bucket. Super excited about this one. And the third box they have for me is the Beam box. This, my friends, is every man's best friend in the wintertime when it gets dark at 3 o'clock. But check this out. We've got a battery pack, click one button, boom. Also, 90% of products of Bespoke Post boxes come from small brands, many of which are based right here in the US. You start by taking a quiz when you sign up. It'll tell Bespoke what your interests are, clothing, outdoor stuff, accessories, etc. And then each month before it's shipped, you'll get a preview of what comes inside that box for that month. Then you can decide if you want to keep it, swap it, or skip that month for no charge. Maybe this isn't for you, but it's definitely a great gift for a loved one that you might know would like this kind of stuff. Each box of Awesome has around $70 in value. You're gonna pay a fraction of that price. To get 20% off your first box of Awesome, click the link in the description and then enter SimpleBuilds20 at checkout or go to bespokepost.com/simplebuilds20.